Oh, hey, buddy. So, today, or 2 months ago, we're gonna... Wait, what was that? Huh? You said...
Nothing.
Huh?
Oh, wait, what?
Anyway.
You heard what I said.
Anyway, today,
This
we're
is
gonna
just a
add
test.
T-tops to our Ron Stewart appreciation bill.
Huh? You still haven't done
I mean, I've kind of been busy.
Oh my God.
No,
Okay. With what?
why do you always have
literally
something to
haven't
say
done
about
anything.
things?
I mean, at least you finished Jeff's
Yeah.
appreciation bill.
Yeah, so we're gonna get these
You haven't even
T-tops
finished? Oh.
going here right now.
Man,
I'm
just
just
quit.
putting down some
Just quit.
tape of where I'm gonna cut it. And yeah. So now that I laid the tape down, I will be removing a section of the roof with thread.
Oh, okay. Whoa.
What's wrong?
Wait.
Huh?
Why are you using thread
I mean-
to complete your task?
Task?
You could have used a scriber,
True.
back of your blade.
True.
I mean, a saw,
Also true.
anything, but you chose the most violent way
I wouldn't call it
to cut
violent.
the roof.
I'm sorry, do you want to do this?
Do I want to do this? You're the imposter. Get him out of here.
Oh, I get it. You just wanted to do the Among Us stuff.
Yeah.
Why didn't you just say so?
I don't know what you're talking about, and you're taking a long time, so let's wrap it up.
Now, to find the center of the roof, I'm going to be measuring out the...
Ew. This
Huh?
ain't math class. What you think this is?
No, not math.
I gotta
Got it.
measure the...
Move along.
Fast forward.
You do know you're fast forwarding through all the good stuff. Why do I sound like this? It's just because we're fast forwarding. Yeah, I don't like this. It'll be okay. How long till we're back to normal? Because this is...
You got this.
Oh, okay.
Jeez.
Yeah, don't ever do that again.
I'm the boss. I'll do as I please.
You're not my boss. Anyway, so...
What's the name of the channel?
I really don't know where I am.
Exactly.
But,
You're in Buddy Studios.
okay. I got a piece of plastic or styrene
Plastic styrene. Got it.
underneath where the roof will go. So I guess it will be the ceiling. And I got it marked off where I want to cut my T-tops. And I'm putting the roof on top, the actual roof, so that I can see exactly where I need to cut what.
I didn't say anything.
And I'm using little styrene strips.
For the center, to give it a little bit more strength. And yeah, I guess we're fast forwarding.
Again.
Okay, I'm done.
Stupid.
But you gotta admit, that was kind of funny.
It wasn't funny. Anyway, so this is what we got. If you're lost, don't worry, I am too. Yeah. So anyway, I cut my T-tops, a little rough draft, and now I'm measuring the center part that
I have to cut out. And, okay.
You know how someone do a joke? I do jokes, and it's funny.
Mine are
Everybody's
hilarious.
laughing, ha ha ha
A
ha.
little more than that, but okay.
And then they do it again.
The encore.
And it's like,
Yep.
okay, it's still a little funny. And then they do it a third time, and it's like,
Where are you going with this?
we get it. We got it the first time. We were just being generous the second time.
Generous.
That's kind of what we have right here.
You're dumb.
That is absolutely not what we have right here.
I'm just saying.
I mean, you say you're the boss. I'm trying to look out for you.
Well,
I appreciate the concern, and just a heads up, I may use it.
That feature again. I may be using it right now. I don't know. Okay, wait. Stop. Just stop it. Cut that off.
Okay, it's off. What do you want? I noticed that, like right now, when I'm talking, my voice is normal. I mean, your voice is kind of dumb, but okay. But the video was going fast. So that tells me...
That you only do this to bother me.
Ah, look who's trying to get smart. Do we have an HR department? If by HR you mean home run, no, this is not baseball. I got it. I'll just go on strike. I said it's not baseball. If I go on strike, you won't have anybody to make your videos.
really?
Yep.
Then I won't have anybody to make my videos.
Nope.
So, what would be different? You act like you make videos now.
I'll just wrap this up. It's fine with me. So anyway, as you can see, I got my T-tops cut. T-tops cut. And
Nice
the next
job.
step with this, I will be trying to cast these in clear resin. This is making me hungry. Yeah. I'm gonna get some eggs. What, like an omelet? It's the middle of the day. No, just plain eggs. Wait, what did you say?
Plain.
Oh my god, the eggplane group bill.